The devil is absolutely in the details of your lead gen and advertising. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We are continuing our The Devil is in the Details series with two huge topics that correlate together. That is lead gen and advertising. Lead gen and advertising are two of the biggest things that we do as entrepreneurs, people in the real estate business, as realtors. It has to do with where is our next paycheck, where our next clients coming from. But the big thing about them is these are our biggest expenses pretty much every single month. So if they aren't the asset that they're supposed to be, they turn into the biggest liability that can put you out of business. So it's more important than almost anything to make sure, since we're putting money out, to make sure to hold that money accountable for the returns it's supposed to bring. The devil is in the details. Make sure your advertising is on point every single week, every single month. It's a compounded effect. If you're not doing it regularly, the awareness, the brand recognition, all the benefits go away. Make sure your advertising is on point, and then make sure that your follow-up with every single lead that you get from your advertising is where it needs to be, as long as it needs to be where it needs to be, hitting that person where they need to be felt to become your client. This one's huge. Have an awesome day. The devil is in the details of your advertising and your lead follow-up. Don't let this one burn you. Have a great day. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell. Let me try that again. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell. I don't know why I'm bouncing.